What's up, party people? I'm pretty excited. Just bought another Trailblazer. This is minty green. Alright, so don't mind it. It's pretty dirty and shit. I haven't really had a chance to clean her out. You guys have asked me about stuff like this. Auto HVAC, driver's information center, adjustable pedals, the heated seat crap, the memory seat stuff. Just a lot of options that my 03 just doesn't have. I mean, this is just fucking so cool. You guys have no idea. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah. Well, today we're going to replace the battery in my 2004 Trailblazer. Oh shit. What's this? A battery cover? No big oversized 1/0 wires running everywhere. Oh, we got a 10 mil down here. Got a 10 mil stashed right under here. And we've also got a 10 mil nut stashed way down here. We also got to take this little tube off of this box. So I'm just going to pull him off of here, out of the way. So kind of once you pull this off of that stud first, that'll give you enough wiggle to get this bar out of the way. Now we can take an 8 mil or a 5/16. We can unscrew the negative terminal. And then the positive terminal. Now we can pop him out. So we've got a 13 mil right there. We've got to pop off. All right, so out with the Walmart, in with this crusty, rusty battery. Go ahead and get our hold down back on. I just make sure that our terminals come on the outside of the cover. We'll hook this little tube right here back up. Might as well do it now, right? Now we got to finagle this bar back on here. It's not as bad as it looks. So, down, over, and as you're coming down, you just have to wrestle it for it to clear the stud down here. I mean, that was it. There wasn't nothing to it, you know what I mean? Now, mini green's a little rough, as you can tell, with rust. So I'm going to spray a little bit of penetrating stuff on these things. Get them started by hand. Oh shit. Yeah, motherfuckers. Now I want you guys to watch something here. Come on, Minty. You can do it. Well, you guys saw it right there. Put a new battery in Minty, started Minnie up. Idle kind of went up and down all over the place, and finally she just died. That's what happened. I wasn't making none of that shit up when I did my Trailblazer battery disconnect video. This is real shit. Now I'm finally able to show it. I don't know if I got anything that'll clean that shit up, but I'm gonna go ahead, pop Minnie's throttle body off, clean it up. Minty, Minty, you're so fine, you're so fine. You blow my mind. Minty. Minty. All right, things you shouldn't do to your Trailblazer. Take 10. 1, using this to do this. It's kind of like when a dog is humping the air. I wasn't on the bolt at all. Alright, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Check this shit out. Ready? This is probably what's wiped out the battery. Anyway, coming up next, I guess we're going to see what's going on with the cluster and the battery light staying on when you turn the key off. So, stay tuned. Well, today's road test, we have I think this is a 2012 Malibu, and she stops very smooth now, has power restored. All in all, this is going to be one good car. Well, at least as good as a Chevy Malibu with 101,000 miles can get. But really, who cares about this stupid Malibu? Last night, I got some shocking news. Well, I saw some shocking news. Ben Boykovich done fucked up. And here's why. Ben Boykovich let Adrian throw it on him. Now he's all depressed right now because Amy won't get back with him now that he's fucked Adrian. But he done blew it with Grace. He done fucked up. Grace and Ben would have been the perfect couple because they both come from money. The Sausage King got money. Dr. Bowman had money. So they don't have to worry about either being a gold digger. They both lost a parent. They got that in common. They were both okay of waiting to fuck until they get married. And whether or not Ben did anything with Maria, it doesn't really matter. Because he was okay with just waiting until he was married. They were perfect together. Ben and Grace, sitting in a tree. F-U-C-K-I-N-G. The point is, he done fucked up. I'm very disappointed in you, Ben Boykovich. How dare you? But then again, if I was in Ben's situation and Amy done left me with blue balls for most of that first school year together, and Adrian came over and threw it on me, I'd probably do the same thing. And then Ben Boykovich would say, Mayo 3, you done fucked up. But I don't think Ben Boykovich would have a YouTube channel for auto repair, which usually ends off now with Memoirs of a Mechanic on Road Tests. So fuck you, Ben Boykovich. I hope Ricky fucks you up.